Imagine waking up one morning to find out everything you thought you knew about the world was wrong. Throughout history, scientific revolutions have done exactly that, flipped the script on our understanding of reality. The ancient Greek Revolution. Let's start way back with the ancient Greeks. Over 2,000 years ago, they weren't just eating olives and discussing philosophy. They were laying down the groundwork for modern science. Aristotle thought the earth was the center of everything, but a guy named Pythagoras had a wild idea that math, not myths, could explain the universe. Turns out, math was onto something. The Copernican revolution. Fast forward to the 16th century, and we meet Nicholas Copernicus, the original rule breaker. Until then, everyone thought the earth was the center of the universe. But Copernicus was like, nah, what if the sun is the center? And he was right. This marked the beginning of the Copernican revolution, changing the way we see our place in the cosmos. The Newtonian revolution. Fast forward again to the 17th century, and along comes Isaac Newton. He saw an apple fall and, instead of thinking snack, he asked, why does it fall? Newton developed the laws of motion and gravity, which could explain everything from falling apples to orbiting planets. His work essentially created modern physics. Think of it like a giant invisible string tying you to the earth. Gravity keeps us all grounded, quite literally. The Darwinian revolution. Jump to the 19th century, and we have Charles Darwin, who flipped the way we understand life itself. He proposed a simple but radical idea. All living things share a common ancestor, and evolution through natural selection explains how species change over time. Basically, nature is playing a game of survival of the fittest, and only the best adapted creatures move on to the next round. The Einsteinian revolution. Then we have Einstein. In the early 20th century, this wild-haired genius changed everything again by showing that space and time aren't what we thought. His theory of relativity showed that time could bend, space could warp, and everything is connected by a cosmic fabric. Imagine space-time like a trampoline. The more mass you have, the more it stretches. Einstein's work didn't just revolutionize physics, it also helped predict things like black holes. The quantum revolution. Finally, we reach the quantum revolution. In the early 20th century, scientists like Heisenberg and Schrödinger discovered that at the tiniest levels, particles don't follow the same rules as big stuff. Quantum mechanics is like the universe's glitch in the matrix. Particles can exist in two places at once, and their behavior is, well, weird. But without it, we wouldn't have things like computers or smartphones today. Conclusion. These scientific revolutions have reshaped everything we know about reality, from the stars to the tiniest particles. But here's the thing. The story isn't over. The next revolution could be right around the corner, and who knows, it might just change everything again. What do you think the next big scientific revolution will be? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending content. After all, who doesn't want to be ahead of the curve when the universe gets flipped upside down again?